Hi, I'm Chris McAllister, founder of ROOST Real Estate Company. If you've been in real estate for a while, or even if you're just getting started, you already know it's not all open houses, happy clients, and big commission checks. There are days when your phone stays silent, deals fall apart, and you wonder if you're really cut out for this business. That's why I wrote the 8 success mindsets of the new real estate professional, and why I'm bringing it to life in this video series. Over the next 14 videos, we're going to walk through the way top agents think and operate so you can build not just a profitable business, but a career you actually want to keep and a life you actually want to live. This series isn't about scripts, social media hacks, or the latest secret lead generation tool. Those things have their place, but they're tactics, and tactics only work when they're built on a strong foundation. That foundation is mindset. Mindset is the way you look at your business, your clients, your time, and yourself. It's the set of principles that guides how you work in every kind of market, whether interest rates are low and listings are flying or the phones have gone quiet. At Roost, we've studied, coached, and worked alongside some of the happiest and most productive agents in the industry. What we've found is that the ones who last and thrive share 8 specific mindsets. Here they are: purpose, knowing exactly why you're in this business and letting that guide every decision. Relationship building trust that lasts for years, not just one transaction. Value creation, making yourself unforgettable and irreplaceable in a crowded market. Unique ability, focusing on the thing you do best and building your business around it. Collaboration, partnering with others so you can go further, faster. Opportunity, creating your own chances instead of waiting for them to appear. Lifelong improvement, staying sharp, relevant, and competitive year after year. Professionalism, being the steady, trusted pro people count on no matter the market. Each of these mindsets is powerful on its own, but together they're unstoppable. We'll start in part 1, where we talk about the real estate life no one warns you about, the gap between your expectations and reality, what happens when the honeymoon ends, and the turning points that can define your career. Then in part 2, we'll dive deep into each of the 8 mindsets, one at a time, with stories, examples, and practical ways to put them into action right now. Finally, in part 3, we'll put it all together: how the mindsets work in combination, how to stay grounded through market ups and downs, and how to design a bigger future that your business can actually support. By the end, you'll have a clear, practical roadmap, not just for the next deal, but for the next decade of your career. I've been where you are, excited one day, frustrated the next. I know what it's like to feel like you're hustling nonstop without getting ahead. What I've learned is that success in real estate isn't about who works the hardest. It's about who builds the right foundation and sticks to it. These 8 mindsets are that foundation. If you commit to them, they'll carry you through hot markets, slow markets, and every curveball this industry throws your way. So here's your invitation. Stick with me for this entire series. Watch each video in order, take notes, think about how each mindset applies to your own business, and most importantly, be willing to make some changes along the way. If you do, you won't just be chasing closings. You'll be building a career worth keeping and a life worth loving. And don't forget, you can download a free PDF copy of the updated edition of this book. The link is right there in the description below. All right, let's get started. In the next video, we'll talk about what I call the gap between the dream and the desk, and why so many new agents never make it past year 2.